morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Last period I completed exercise 22 question number 33. Now I will start question number 34. Yes. A bag contains 24 balls of which, so 24 balls, that is n of s is equal to 24, of which x are red, number of red balls, n of r is equal to x. Next, 2x are white, as n of white 2x. Next, 3x are blue, n of b is equal to 3x. Therefore, as n of r plus n of w plus n of b is equal to n of s, including all three balls, gives us the total number of balls. Thus, this implies x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 24. Therefore, 6x is equal to 24. The value of x is equal to 24 by 6. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 24 by 6, that is equal to 4. Now let's see one by one question. A ball is selected at random. This is the random experiment. We have to pick only one ball. Find the probability of that is, number 1, white. As first one, let E1 be the event that getting a white ball, therefore getting a white ball, the value of n of w is equal to 2x. So 2 into the value of x is equal to 4, that is equal to 8. Therefore, probability of this one, P of getting white ball is equal to formula n of w divided by n of s, that is equal to 8 divided by 24, that is equal to 1 divided by 3. Next, second question. Yes, not red. Not red means either it should be white or black. Yes, let E2 be the event that getting a ball which is not red. Which is not red means either, yes, either we have two options, white or blue, either white or yes, blue. Okay, na? Therefore, yes, probability of S not red or probability of E2 is equal to S probability of white plus probability of blue. Sum of these two probabilities gives the probability of E2, that is not red. As this one, probability of S 2x divided by S, what is the value of n of S, or what is P of W, right? Like this, no problem. N of W S divided by n of S. So similarly here also, n of B divided by n of S. S no place. What is the value of n of W? 2x. S divided by 24. B 3x by 24. S, this implies as 2 into, what is the value of x? 4 by 24 plus 3 into x, 4 by 24. Correct? Plus 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So first one 1 by 3 plus 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So second one 1 by 2. So take LCM. 6 is the LCM. 3 2 ja plus 2 3 ja. So the final answer is 5 divided by 6. So second answer is 5 by 6, which is the probability of getting a ball which is not red, either white or blue. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Question number 35. Yes, but it is very lengthy question. So before going to start question number 35, first I will give complete information about the playing cards. Complete information. Just listen to me carefully, and very important it is. If you know this, yes, you can write the answers one by one easily. Question number 35 about playing cards. Yes. The total number of cards in a pack, that is 52. Total cards. Total cards. Yes, this is n of s is equal to 52 total cards. Yes, in this 52 cards, mainly there are 4 designs. So first one, spade. Now second one, club. Third design, heart. Now fourth design, next one, fourth design, that is diamond. Next, first point, total number of cards 52, spade, club, heart and diamond. So spade, black in color. Club is also black in color. Heart, red in color. Diamond is also red in color. And very important, spade, total number of cards. Spade 30, so club is also 13, so heart 13, diamond 13. Each designs 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, totally 52. So black 13 plus 13. So black cards, that is, I will write here, total number of black cards is equal to 13 plus 13 is equal to 26. Similarly, as red cards, total number of red cards 13 plus 13. So red color is also 26. Okay. Next, out of these 13, very important, yes, yes, jock, next, queen, next, K, and one more, A, S. But J, Q, K, these three are cards are face cards. Why it is face means the picture of jack, queen and king are completely we can see on the face of the card. But A completely it is black. Just A only it is blank. So these three are called as face cards. As face cards. Face cards. As face cards, how many are there? 3. As non-face cards, including A, and from numbered 2 to 10. So totally non-face cards 2 to 10, that is 9, and A totally 10. 10 plus 3, that is 30. Similarly here also face card 3. Next, here similarly here also face cards, as face cards 3, non-face cards, that is 30. So here also face cards 3 non-face cards, that is 10. So here also face cards 3 non-face cards, that is 30. Sorry, 10. Okay na? Yes. Now the very important total number of face cards. Total number of face cards. Total number of face cards. Just now I told you 3 from each design, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Totally there are 12 face cards. In this 12, as 4 jack, 4 queen, then 4 king. In this 4, as 2 black, 2 red, here also 2 black, 2 red, here also 2 black, 2 red. Okay na? Yes. Next, total number of non-face cards. Non-face cards. So including A is also non-face cards. As 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So totally as 50. So in a playing cards, I mean pack of playing cards, total number of cards, that is 52. Spade, club, heart, diamond, 13, 13, 13, 13. In this 13, so there are 3 face cards. A is also, but A is not a face card. Face means the face of the jack, face of the queen, and face of the king, or can say on the face of the card. So if that, just you, yes, A is not a face card. Yes, right. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, totally 12. So including A and 2 to 10, that is total number of cards 10. So that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. So totally 40 plus 12, that is 52. So this is about complete information about the playing cards. Okay, first you note this, then I shall continue one by one questions. Yes, coming to your question now. A card is drawn from the probability of, a card is drawn, very important, a card is drawn, the experiment is only one card you have to pick, then we should find the probability. First one, 2 of spades, yes, spades, this is spades, 2, yes, only one card. Yes, first one, answers here one by one, answers, yes, first one. So as you know already, write one by one. Let E1 be the event that getting 2 of spades. Let E1 be the event that getting 2 of spades. As directly I will write answers as probability of E1. As E1 means E1 be the event that getting a card which is 2 of spades. Directly I will write answers because questions are more. As P of E1 is equal to 2 of spades, that is only one. Only one. 2 of spades, only one. 2 totally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are there, but spade only one. Club 1, heart 1, diamond 1. So 2 of spades, that is only one, divided by total number of cards, that is 52. As first answer is 1 divided by 52. Okay, is it clear? You have to write in detail. Let E1 be the event that getting a card which is 2 of spades. Therefore, the value of n of E1 is equal to 1. So P of E1 is equal to as n of E1 divided by n of S, that is only 1. Don't write 2 here. 2 card number 2, that is only one card is there, that is spade. Is it clear? Don't write 2 here. 2. It should be 2, but only one card. 2 of spade, that is only 1. Divided by Yes, that is 52. Okay, na? Right. How many cards are there? Two of spades, that is only one. Very important. Totally only one, two of spade, that is one. Don't write two here. Next, second one. P of E2. Let E2 be the event that getting a jock. A jock means including all colors. Color not mentioned here. As how many jocks are there? As total jocks as one here, one here, one here, one here. Yes, is here. Completely all answers are written on blackboard. Just to write and substitute one by one. As 4. Correct? As n of E2 by n of s, that is 4 divided by 52, that is 1 divided by 13. The second answer is 1 divided by 13. Jock. A jock. A jock means including spade, club, heart, diamond. Totally there are 4 jocks. That's 4 here. Including all colors. I mean red and black colors. 1 by 13. Next, third question. Yes. Let E3 be the event that is getting a king of red color. As king of red color. Here one, here one, here one, here one. King of red color. King of red color, that is 2. As n of E3 by n of s, that is 2 divided by 52, 1 divided by 26. The third answer is 1 divided by 26. Next, question number 4. Probability of E4 is equal. Let E4 be the event that getting a card of diamond, a card including face card and non-face card. So totally how many cards are there of diamond? As 13. As n of E4 divided by n of s, that is 13 by 52, that is equal to 1 divided by 4. As fourth answer is 1 divided by 4. Next, coming to fifth one. So probability of event, fifth one, 5. Probability of event 5. Let E5 be the event that the experiment is a king or queen. A king or queen means either you consider both black and red. Either king or queen. King or queen, including black and red, 4 king and 4 queen, either as consider both, that is as n of E5 divided by n of s, as 8 divided by 52, so 4 2 ja, 4 13 ja, as answer fifth one, that is 2 divided by 13. Fifth answer is 2 divided by 13. Next, sixth one, probability of event 6. What is the experiment? Let E5 be the, E6 be the event getting, as very important, a non-face cards, as 40, as n of E6 divided by n of s, that is 40 divided by 52, 4 10 ja, 4 13 ja. So answer is 10 divided by 13. Question number 6. Answer is 10 divided by 13. Next, seventh one. Seventh question. Probability of event 7. Let E7 be the event that seventh one. A black face card. Black face. How many are there? Black face. Yes, black face. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Correct? Black face. That is only 3 plus 3. That is 6. So n of E7 divided by n of s, that is equal to 6 divided by 52, that is 3 divided by 26. Question number 7. The answer is, question number 7. The answer is as 3 divided by 26. Next one, Question number 8. Yes, probability of event number 8. So event number 8, let E8 be the event getting yes, a black card. A black card. How many are there? A black card. Yes, black card 26. Yes. N of E8 divided by N of yes as 26 divided by 52. The answer is 1 by 2. Question number 8. The answer is 1 divided by 2. Next, question number 9. As probability of event number 9. Let E9 be the event that getting. Yes, you see what is the condition mentioned. Question number 9. A non-A's. A non-A's. How many A's are there? Total 4. A non-A's means including face card. Very important. Including face card. Non-A's. Yes. N of E9 divided by N of S. Just you have to subtract 4 from 52 because A. There are 4 A's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 52 minus 4, that is 48 divided by 52, that is yes 4 12 ja 4 13 ja. Question number 9. The answer is yes 12 divided by 13. Next, question number 10. Probability of E10. E10 be the event that getting, you see the experiment, non-face card of black color. Total number of black cards 26. Non-face, very important. Non-face means just you subtract 3 from spade, 3 from club, 3 plus 3 6 as 26 minus 6, that is 20. As N of E10 divided by N of S as 20 divided by 52. Yes, any doubt? I repeat once again. The experiment is non-face card of black color. Black color 26. Non-face means as 2 to 10. 10. Total 10. 10 correct? Plus next 10. Yes, that is 20. Here 10. Spade 10. Club 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Or 3 face card. 3. Here also 3. 26 minus 6, that is 20. Yes, answer is 4 5 ja 4 13 ja 5 divided by 13. Question number 11. As let E11 be the event that the experiment is neither spade nor jack. Neither spade nor a jack. Neither spade. Spade means how many are there? Spade. Yes, total number of spade cards, that is 13, including jack. Nor jack means 1, 2, 3. Yes, plus 3. 13 plus 3, that is 16. You have to subtract 52 minus 16, that is 36. Correct? Yes, any doubt here? The question is neither a spade nor jack. Neither a spade means just to excluding spade, that is 13. Nor jack means 1 jack, here 1 jack, here 1 jack. 1, 1, 1, 3. Here 13. In this 13, 1 jack is included. Total jack 4. Spade, that is 12. Why? Because you have to exclude 1 jack. Okay, otherwise 13, 1, 1, 1. Yes, 36. Yes, N of E11 divided by N of S, that is 36 divided by 52. 9 divided by 4 9 ja 4 13 ja 9 divided by 13. Yes, probability of E12. E12 will be the event that the experiment is neither a heart, yes, you have to subtract 13, nor a red king, red king means here 1, heart, yes, 52 minus 13, and red king here also one more red king here. Totally you have to subtract, yes, totally you have to subtract 52, 13 plus 1, 14. Yes, that is 38. Correct? 38. This is equal to N of E12 by N of S. So that is equal to 38 divided by 52, that is 19 divided by 26. 19 divided by 26. Yes, this is about the playing cards. Yes, this is very important. Okay? Okay. Here you write in detail because the question is lengthy now. That's why written only answers. Is it clear? Yes. You go through this. This is very important. You get completely information, completely about the playing cards. Okay. I shall continue in the next video. Thank you.